heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this.
Happy birthday. I hope you get everything your heart desires and good health. At sana enjoy mo yung every moment na kasama mo yung mga kaibigan mo and of course yung labi-dab mo. And lagi mo ingat.
Happy birthday, Ilmo. All the very best, good health. Hopefully everything will be okay soon. And God bless you and your whole family. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya Elmo. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and good health, more blessings, and more graces to come. Hope na ma-enjoy mo ang day mo, and we will have a blast on your day. And my wife would like to greet you as well.
Happy birthday!
And we are Mark and Tony. Bye-bye!
Hello, Dad! Happy birthday! Really appreciate you. Salamat palagi sa suporta at saka sa pakikisama. Hali, enjoy your day today. Inuman na!
Hi, Kuya Elm. Today is your big day. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Have fun and enjoy it. I shall see you later. Love you.
Happy birthday, Elm.
Happiest birthday, El. May your birthday be filled with happiness, joy, and good health. And may your birthday also as a symbol of love and, the goodness of your heart. Happy birthday.
Hello. Ayan, El, surprise ka? So, nandito lahat ng mga tropa natin willing tumulong. Walang iwanan. Alright. Lalo na sa kaarawan mo, gusto kitang babatiin. Maligayang araw. Okay. Hindi lang ngayong araw na ito. Mga kawan, day after today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Alright, and in the future. Okay. Lagi mong tandaan, nandito lang kami. And then, yun, kung ano ka, yun ka. Yan lang. Wala na tayong dapat ipaligoy-ligoy pa. Alright, stay true, stay cool. Alright, God bless you always. And then more birthday to come. Alright, thank you so much. And then, may God bless you always. Thanks, bye-bye.
Ate, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. At lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin. Kahit na minsan makulit ka at matigas pa minsan ang ulo. Basta lagi mo isipin, nandito lang kami palagi. At ingat palagi. Happy birthday.
And I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away.